Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. Vanish mode is a private chat feature that lets your message disappear once they're seen and the chat is closed. Perfect if you want extra privacy while chatting with friends. First of all, open up Instagram application on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the message bubble icon at the top right corner to open up your chats. Select the conversation where you want to use the Vanish mode on, and then once you open up the conversation, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and release. Now you will see this pop up soon after you do that. It says that once you turn on the Vanish mode, new messages will disappear for everyone in the chat after a set time. If a screenshot is detected, a notification will appear in the chat. Disappearing messages can be reported up to 14 days after they've disappeared. Now click on OK, and that's how you turn on Vanish mode on Instagram DM. Now, whenever you turn this option on, new messages and reactions will disappear 24 hours after everyone has seen them. To turn off the Vanish mode, simply swipe up from the bottom in the chat again and the disappearing message will turn off. You'll return to the normal mode after you do that. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.